Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna talk about sound effect on the gun emplacement that I have on the P51 Mustang scratch build made out of foam board. The setup comes from the Model Radio Workshop. This company provided me with the sound effect for the guns that I have already installed in this model. The setup is very simple and extremely easy to place on the model. Basically, all I did is this is actually the setup, the soundboard, and I did a wire harness on my light setup, and I connected it to the one of the channels on my radio, channel 5 I'm using currently. And let's see what this setup along with the lights will sound like. Also been told that the speaker must be placed or should be placed for to enhance the sound on a cardboard tube. What I'm thinking about using is the scoop on the model, and that will be able or enable to enhance the sound. But I'll have to check what I can do. I mean, I'm gonna have to do some tweaking here in order to get that placed. But anyway, let's do a test on what the sound effect will look like along with the light effect, and we'll see what we get. Okay, here we go. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, as you can see, the sound effects works perfectly with the light setup that I have for the guns. This is an amazing product, and this is only provided by Model Radio Workshop. Look it up on the website. They have excellent products, excellent service, quick response on any inquiries. I highly recommend Model Radio Workshop. This is the place to go if you want to enhance your model RC planes. They also do have the light effect, and I mean, anything else that you've been meaning to get for your RC models, you can get it from Model Radio Workshop. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.